Hello everyone, today I'm going to be trying out the new Nature Incarnate expansion. I'm playing as the new spirit, Breath of Darkness down your spine, who sends invaders to the Shadow-touched realm, not the Shadow realm. So, we're playing against Scotland 5, so I can go ahead and bully them a little. And let's go ahead and see that first explorer is Sands. Okay. Alright. So first explorer is Sands. Let me think about my first turn. So it'd be nice to try to stop both of these builds. Maybe a little bit ambitious, but I could do that with my Innate and my Swallowed by the Endless Dark. Alternatively, I could use Terror of the Hunted here in order to just strife it up, which does sound quite nice. So let's try going for that. Okay. And it's a little bit awkward because I want to just like play both these cards and not worry, but I think I have to worry at least a little. Because if I do this, right, then my Emerge from Dread Night Wind doesn't actually do a whole lot. Other than like push some stuff. And this is a bit too far. So the big thing is like lining up my Innate. So maybe I go like this. And then play this instead. Which would let me shuffle my Incarna over here. And still strife this. So I think I like that as a plan. Let's get my minor power. And let's escape this over here. Alright. Those are some exciting looking cards. This one can be used to add some disease. But this one's like some really nice general utility. But this one's free. That's kind of a big deal. I think at the end of the day, because we're playing Scotland 5, we don't have that really annoying Scotland 6 rule. Let's go ahead and pick up the Sky's Herald. Alright. Let's use my Innate. Abduct you. I'm going to push you right here to the middle. And let's abduct my own Incarna. That way, I can kind of put it out more flexibly next turn. Okay. Let's see the event. Skip it, of course. And Wetlands. Alright. Let's strife this up using my Terror of the Hunted to add a strife. And let's generate one fear and take out this explorer. Take him out back. Bang. Alright. I could do this. Which is kind of like the complete Russian down play. Yeah, let's try it. Let's go all in on getting these actions done as quickly as I can. So I escape so I put out my presence. I have to escape one. So put my presence here. Let's escape this Incarna. And then I can abduct these two. Yeah. Alright. With my Innate. And then 2 fear. Abduct you. Let's gather these 2 Dahan right here. And let's go ahead and see the event. Years of Little Rain, huh? Exciting. Can I pay for that? To do that, I'd have to forget Swallowed. Sure. I'll forget Swallowed. And I'll put out another presence. So let's just go Insanity on them. So each beast does 2 damage. Let's do it like that. And defend 1 per Dahan in the land. Alright. We are going to Ravage in the sands. And then build in the jungles. Okay. Let's explore sands. So we add an explorer here. We fail to explore here because it's all the way isolated. We had a town somewhere, so let's add the town here. Alright. Let's teleport over here. Nothing personnel, kid. And grab ya. Generate 4 fear. And downgrade this into explorer. Alright. Exciting day to be Breath of Darkness down your spine, huh? And now I'm tempted. Because I could just grow bottom. I'd only be playing 2 cards each turn. Because of the reclaim one and using this. But maybe that's enough. Because I could just abuse this reclaim one as I go down it. Might be greedy, might be foolish, but you know, love taking risks. All right. Well, I didn't get an answer that will easily deal with this land, sadly. The only thing I could have done is play Terror of the Hunted earlier. So, kind of just want this card because it has good elements. And let's reclaim 1. Alright, I have to put this out. Let's put my presence right here. Put my presence right here, actually. No, I'm going to go here. And I'm going to hope that fear cards can bail me out. We're dealing with sands next turn. Which makes me want to just kind of reclaim a little bit arbitrarily here. Go like that. Next turn, I'm going to have 3 energy. So I could just try and line that up, huh? So I want 5, 2, 3. So I play out like this. Gets me a lot of my innates. I think I do eventually want this perfect element card. So I think instead I'm going to reclaim this and then play nothing. Yeah, let's go. Come on, let me at him. Sadly, these Dahan are probably going to die, but we can see if they figure it out. Ooh, okay. So, Dahan trade with invaders is definitely a way to deal with it. So the Dahan not participating in Ravage can just save them, and I think that's worth it. Oh, I have to let 2 pieces escape. So I'm going to let... Yeah, I'm just going to have this escape like this. Because I would have wanted the presence to stay here anyways, even if it blighted. No, even if it's going to blight. Alright. Each town destroys an explorer in its land. Sure. Each building does -1 damage. Sure. So this still does double blight, destroying one of my presents. We are going to build in the sands. They fail to build. And we are exploring wetlands. Give me a break. All right. Fortunately, they don't explore here again. I do nothing, so. Okay. Let's get a new minor power card. So let's go for this. And if I play my perfect element card... Oh, I don't have another perfect element card. Darn. I think I want Moon Animal more, though, than the extra fear. Good as the extra fear is. 2 pieces escape. escape them like this, I think. Actually, I could escape them both here and then just defend that land. Probably most sensible. That would be one fear. Do I want my Maxinate here? Probably. So let's play out this card. Okay. And let's get my growth movement to do this. And now I get 3 pushes, and then I move an invader directly to the Endless Dark. So 1, 2, 3, not pushing, just killing that. And then I'm going to take myself and this city over to the Shadow Realm. Or, sorry, the Shadow Touched Realm. Very different. Let's pick up these 2 presents. And I'm not going to resolve this because I don't feel like going Blighted right now, but maybe in a bit. Who knows? Okay. Cultural Assimilation, that doesn't hurt me. Reckless Offensive and Beasts Destroy Things. So instead of destroying things, it's 1 fear per invader they would have removed. So it's 1 fear because this beast can kill off this explorer and deal 1 damage. But it still does the damage, which is kind of funny. Each Dahan destroys 1 building and add a blight. Alright. So I'm adding a blight here. So I am going blighted because the Dahan decided to figure out the land, huh? Destroying this presence and adding a fear marker. Okay. So let's go ahead and ravage our sands, which gives me the clear board reward, but sadly this is still here. Build the wetlands, still clear. Explore jungles and wets. Alright. Okay. Fortunately I have extra range, so I can go ahead and put out a strife there to deal with it. Generate 3 fear and downgrade this. Add a beast. Okay. Alright, this also added a beast. Just from the domesticated animals go berserk. Forgot about that. Unless time passes. Alright. Reclaim all these pieces escape. Reclaim. Put this here. And I guess I'll just escape everything here. Oh yeah. Let's go. So now I want to defend 5 here. To take out all those towns. Oh, right. Last turn I forgot to put up my presence, huh? That was like the whole point. Alright. Oh, that would have also given me a full downgrade. So that would have actually done that and generated 3 more fear. So not quite a win because I still had explorers on the board. But yeah, the air is actually huge here. Okay. So yeah, I have enough energy to just loop this, huh? Let's go. Defend 5 here. And then use my innate to go 1, 2, 3. Then move you with me. Alright. I don't think there's really anything else to be doing. I guess I can pick up some of my own presence again. This also should add another beast. And I'm good. So let's see the event. Beast deal 2 damage. Okay. This kills this. And we win the game. Alright. That was a nice, laid-back game of Breath of Darkness down your spine. Um, I really enjoyed it. I think that the developers absolutely made a enjoyable experience here. It felt really good to max out this innate and just start scooping stuff up off the ground. So, underplaying and going for the 4 plays was actually really interesting, and I wonder if it's like, I wonder if it's more viable to just underplay and rush down to 4 plays, because I know that's what a lot of spirits do. Like, Whirlwind does that. Makes me think. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. I will see you all in the next video.